So today I'll show you how to fix a black and white screen on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So if you find yourself with a black and white screen, then there are a couple of things or a couple of reasons why you might be having this. So let's try and fix it. Now the first thing you want to do is check if you have sleep mode on. So you can quickly swipe down to the quick settings and check if you have sleep mode on. If it's on, you'll see it there, and you'll also see the icon in the taskbar right here. So again, to check, you can go into settings and then go to modes and routines and check sleep mode. Now, sometimes when sleep mode is enabled, it also enables a feature called grayscale. So you can see it says turn on, that means sleep mode is off. Now let's check something else. Let's go to settings, and then under settings, let's go to accessibility, tap on that. And then under accessibility, go to vision enhancements, tap on that. And then here, you want to make sure all this stuff is off. So just go turning off everything until you get your solution. You also want to go to something like color correction. Okay. So you can turn off color correction. So you can see currently color correction has been turned off, but we still have some kind of tint. Okay. So the other thing you can do is go to color filter and turn color filters off. And then you can also go back and then turn all this stuff off, transparency and blur, animations. You just need to turn off everything until your screen color goes back to normal, as you can see. Okay, so that is basically generally how to fix a black and white screen on your Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and good luck.